They miss your energy, and they hide deep feelings of sadness and sorrow and regret in regards to you. This individual is heartbroken. There may have been some type of separation, some abrupt ending, some abrupt change in this dynamic. And this individual misses you so much. And these are feelings that I don't feel like they will tell anyone. They're acting very cold and stoic, as though this doesn't affect them, but it really does. They often think about you. They want to reach out to you, but for some of you, you've blocked this person, or they sense the shift in your energy. There's a coldness coming from your side, and they're trying to mirror that back. They saw you as someone that was their ideal. They saw you as someone that they would like to settle down with. For some of you, if you are a masculine listening to this individual wanted to be in a serious partnership with you. You ticked a lot of boxes to this individual. They saw you as powerful. They still see you as powerful. They see you as a leader. They see you as a provider. And they started to envision how it would be to be in a relationship with you. They started to think about marrying you, settling down with you, how you would be as a spouse. Like, they were thinking these things, but they were very strategic in their dealings with you. This person, they tried to play chess in this connection. They tried to strategize in ways to outsmart you. This person is not to be trusted, and they may have exposed themselves in some way that made you see that they needed to be kicked and booted out of your life. And now this person is shocked by your behavior, and for some of you, this person is strategizing in how they can be an acquaintance to you once more. They feel like they can't let the situation go. For some of you, they're angry that you've outsmarted them. They're angry that you don't want them, because you may see this person as a risk, a danger. For some of you, this person dangled over your head the potential of a relationship. For some of you, it's a boss who dangled over your head advancing in a career, and they didn't have the means to propose this offer. And so you removed yourself. Some of you left this job. For some of you, I feel like you left this friendship, this relationship, whatever the situation was, and this person feels like they're losing power. They try to block you. They try to block your progress, your view of them. And now these blockages have been dismantled. You're no longer investing in falsities anymore. And you could be wondering why they're shocked. You're shocked that they're shocked that you're not invested in them anymore. They see you as their wish fulfillment. And I feel like it was only after the connection dissolved, this individual was faced with how much you actually meant to them. Because when they were in your energy, when you were working for them, when they were working for you, whatever the case was, right? They didn't respect you. When they were dating you, when they were friends with you, they did not respect you. They just assumed that you will always be around. And now that you've taken yourself away and you've gone towards something better, and I feel that since you removed yourself from this person, your abundance is flowing in. And some of you could feel like It's unexpected. This person was a blockage to your abundance. You know, you're getting on with people now. You're making new connections. Your money is flowing. You're feeling more energetic. You're more high vibrational. You're connecting with positive people. You're feeling good. You're feeling great. You're feeling fabulous. This person was a detriment to you in all areas of your life. And they are growing tired of waiting. They're growing quite impatient. You know, this person's very erratic. They just want to rush in, bump into you, have it out with you. Or for some of you, they may try and put on the charm. They may try and flirt with you. And Spirit is saying, don't be fooled, because this person's still toxic. They ain't changed. If anything, they're much worse now, because they feel like they've lost power. They lost control. This person was competing for a space in your life, for permanency in your life. They were competing with others that they felt were getting close to you. For some of you, they were competing with you. They were in fear that you were going to get their job. For some of you, they were trying to get your job. They were trying to push others out of the way that they felt were more closer to you. But whatever they will try and do will backfire. Some of you have blocked this person. Spirit's asking you to remove yourself from this individual, and you definitely have. And they are so deluded that they want another offer from you. They may try and come back in with a stable offer for some of you. They may try and come back in and tell you what you want to hear. Oh, let's settle down now. I thought about it. I've matured. You know, I've got this cool job offer for you. Or let's build together. Let's work on something. This could be someone that you worked with. You could be their boss. They could be your boss. You could have had a relationship with this individual for some of you. This could be an ex-spouse. This could be an ex-friend. But this person is being hit with some hard truth that, in their view, that was the good old days. You've outgrown this cycle with this person. You've woken up. And this person is more sad due to the fact that you've actually taken back your power and removed yourself from them. Because remember, they thought they could control you. They thought that they had you wrapped around their finger. They were playing a game of chess with you, with everyone. They did not envision that you'll walk away and not look back. And it's leaving them feeling so heartbroken. You know, this person may scream when they're by themselves. The realization that it's over is really affecting this person. You know, the finality of this actual cycle with this person is really uncomfortable. You know, this is a type of person that deals with manipulation. They don't deal with honesty. You know, they always try to outsmart people. This is the type of person whereby you don't even know if they like you or not, even if they're your friend, even if they're your partner. You know, this is an untrustworthy person. They're out for their own gains. And now this person is feeling engulfed in sadness. They're feeling weak. They're trying to cling on to your energy energetically. They're trying to cling on to what could have been, and they're trying to desperately and frantically think of ways that they can access you again, because in their view, it wasn't supposed to go this way. You were supposed to be with them romantically, or you were supposed to be a business partner with them. They were supposed to steal your ideas. They were supposed to profit off you. It ended for a reason, because this person was trying to take you down a rabbit hole that would have led to your demise. You know, there was something very toxic about this person's energy. It reeked of evilness is what I'm hearing. You know, it was very strong, their energy, very intense. They had a heavy fixation on you, heavy fixation of trying to control you, trying to bind you for some of you. And now they are faced with the realization that you are stepping into a new timeline. You have quantum leaped into a new space, and you've left this person behind. And this is why this person is frantic and desperate to access you, because they're in the energy of no, wait, no. You're in an energy, or you will be in an energy whereby it will feel as though you don't even know this person, because you would have leveled up in your career. Some of you will move jobs or energetically just remove yourself from this person, because things are going well for you, or things will start going well for you. And this person will be a figment of your imagination. You will not even think about them. Some of you don't even think about this person. And this person is at a loss, knowing that they're now a stranger to you, when at a time they had close access to you, close access to do the most, to manipulate, to destroy certain connections, to control, and just be a dark force in your life. And they're more shocked that they can't continue with their foolishness, with their evilness, with their greed. It's come to an end. They are struggling to accept this. You've accepted it. And this person is experiencing delayed grief. And they want you to join them in their pity party. But Spirit is saying, nah, you have to sit in this. You could be dealing with, or you could be of the sign Sagittarius, Aries, Libra, Capricorn, Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio, Pisces, Sun, Moon, rising Mars, or Venus. Saturn is coming out of Pisces soon. And this cycle, this Saturn and Pisces cycle, should have taught this person to not be in these toxic ways. You know, Saturn is the taskmaster. We all learn lessons when it comes to Saturn. And this person tried to take shortcuts. You know, they tried to destroy others. And they tried to overpower others because they didn't want to do the work. And they failed their Saturnian test. And now this person is feeling guilt, shame for being exposed, shame for you not wanting them to be a part of your life anymore. This is going to be an ongoing thing for this person, because they're not facing the realization about what they did, which led for you to cut them out of your life. They are playing the victim, and they are so deluded, and they're acting as if you have wronged them, you have broken their heart. And if they want to flip the energy that way, then they will grieve in that way, in that manner as well. When Spirit knows, they know on an internal level that that's not the truth. You've removed yourself because of who they are and what they've done. But because they don't want to face that truth, their healing will be delayed, which means that they will block their own growth. And eventually, when they come out of that energy of grieving from a place of being the victim, quote unquote, they will then have to face the fact that you are gone for good.